What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. We have a huge update today with a potential federal gas tax holiday. You do not want to miss this video. This could be an absolutely huge payday and game changer for Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers. So please thumbs up the video, and we're also going to talk about the potential stimulus checks that could be coming to Uber and Lyft drivers as well. You don't want to miss this one. So before I get started, I want to tell you all about our sponsor of the video, Current. If you've seen my videos, you've probably heard about them. Current is an awesome new app that's paying Uber and Lyft drivers 4% interest on your savings. You can also get paid up to 2 days faster. You can go to 40,000 fee-free ATMs. You earn 40 times more savings interest than the national average. There's no fees on overdraft up to 200 bucks. Check out Current using the link down below. You get cash back on your gas too when you use the Current debit card, which you will get for free. Current is awesome. Check it out. And now let's get started. Click on Chrome in 3, 2, 1, click. All right, so here we have it, my friends. President Joe Biden may decide this week on gas tax holiday to address pain at the pump. Oh, sorry, that was the video of him falling. Sorry, I meant to play this video instead.
Considering it, and Secretary Guy spoke about it yet. Considering a pause on the federal gas tax, Mr. President, we know that you're considering it, and Secretary Guy spoke about it yesterday.
Yes, I'm considering it.
How soon can we expect a decision?
Well, I hope I have a decision based on data I'm looking for by the end of the week. My team is going to be sitting down with the CEOs of the major oil companies this week, and try to get an explanation how they justify making $35 billion in the first quarter.
Are you planning to sit down with oil and gas CEOs,
No.
Mr. President? Why is that, sir?
Because my team's going to do that. First of all, what they've done
What the heck?
in the refining capacity. All this stuff you hear about and you guys have to report, that Biden limited the amount of oil. They have 9,000 leases. 9,000 leases on public land. And they should either use it or lose it. And that's number one. Number two, the problem is what they've done is they've cut back on refining. And they say because they don't want to get caught in a position where eventually they're going to move to alternative energy, renewable energy, and they don't want to get stuck. Well, guess what? There's a logical transition to be made.
Boring. Okay, let's get to this article real quick. I'm sorry, but anyways. Biden is considering gas tax holiday to lower price at the pump. President Joe Biden said Monday he is considering unveiling a federal gas tax holiday that could cut the price of fuel as Americans continue to struggle with dramatic levels of inflation. Well, what do you know about Uber and Lyft drivers? We spend a lot of money on fuel, so this could be huge in saving money again. But, you know, when that happens, I'm sure Uber and Lyft are going to be like, well, let's just take away the gas fuel surcharge now. Anyways, I hope I have a decision date based on the data I'm looking for by the end of the week. The president told reporters in Delaware, saying he was considering the proposal. What mother effing data are you looking at, bro? That the gas prices need to go up again and again? What data, bro? The data's there. Open your eyes. Doing so would require action by Congress, and any cut to the gas tax would limit federal income used to pay for highways. Who cares? Let the cracks be. Let the crack. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, obviously, they need to have that that highway repair income there. So I don't know. Like, what do they think? Where do they think this money's going to come from? They still then they're going to increase taxes on. They're going to increase the federal tax rate so that they can pay for highways. They got to pay for highways somewhere. Okay. The gas tax is currently 18.4 cents a gallon. Did you guys even know that? I didn't even know that. Every time you fill up gas, 18.4 cents of that is going to the federal government? Like, you know, you're going and putting in $5 in gas, you're only really getting $4 and like that's not really there, it's 18 cents. Suspending it would lower the price at the pump, which sat at $4.98 a gallon on average nationwide on Monday. Well, in California, it's about $6.50 a gallon on average. Some states have prices far higher, notably California, with the average price per gallon of $6.39, according to AAA. Yeah, if you go to LA, it's like $7 though. Those prices are slightly lower for the more than $5 per gallon average earlier this month, but are an uncomfortable increase for millions of Americans reckoning with surging rent and food prices. Biden ordered the release of millions of barrels of oil from the nation's strategic petroleum reserve earlier this year, and the government increased the amount of ethanol blended into fuel to help stymie the record prices. But those actions have so far done little to rein in costs. The White House has pointed to Russia's ongoing war in Ukraine as a key driver of the runaway prices. But Biden has also lambasted oil companies for failing to help defray costs, noting such businesses have raked in billions of profits during the crisis. You know what? Joe Biden, he came on to address the nation. He was like, oh, why is inflation so high? He's like, because of Putin. He's like, bro, did you guys not realize you guys are printing so much freaking money this year? Anyways, guys, I'll keep you guys up to date with this because this is really important, and I'll get to the stimulus checks in the next video. Let me know if you're interested. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.